The Spiritual Genome, Networked Intelligence in DNA. Bradley Bartholomew's book, The Spiritual Genome, brings to the forefront the theory of a networked intelligence in DNA. His book outlines this theory that the DNA of all living creatures, including plants, is connected in the quantum substream, and that it is this networked intelligence which constitutes the essential oneness from which springs all the diversity of life that we see around us. The spiritual genome illustrates that this networked intelligence is governed by a level of computer processing declared as the ultimate source of life. This, the author says, is demonstrated in how memristors in the DNA enable the storing of data, which has a direct bearing on such widely held beliefs about past lives and reincarnation. Brad Bartholomew cohesively explains how the DNA can act as a universal quantum computer with sufficient processing power to potentially enable the generation of the entire universe. The spiritual genome explores how DNA, acting as a universal quantum computer, is foreshadowed in the Hindu Upanishads written more than 2,500 years ago. The Upanishads are interpreted using state-of-the-art neuroscience as well as quantum mechanics. This is said to not only enable the precise location of the inner self, but also demonstrates that what we experience through our five senses is capable of being generated from within. It can also be generated through a quantum mechanical interpretation of Maya, the ancient Hindu doctrine of the illusory state of all things. In the words of Brad Bartholomew, we find that all this diversity that we see around us is in fact a virtual reality nested in the networked intelligence.